Alright, Chong. Welcome, welcome. Thank you sa magandang ano na to. But, thank you, Chong, sa pag...
Bro, huwag ka magbababait ka naman. Bigla mabait ka eh, no? Anyway, you know the conditions, bro. It doesn't have to be 20. Just invite the other content creators and I'm game. That's it.
So,
Doesn't have to be 20. You don't have to misunderstand it purposefully. I know what you do. Invite the other creators and I'm down. Yun lang.
Okay, so what's going to be the format?
Depende sa magiging moderator. I'm down to do any format.
Okay.
Minsanan lang. Yun lang. Ayoko lang ng ulit-ulit. I've been very clear with my conditions and you purposefully misunderstand it and twist it for your community. And I know what you do. You're very good at this. So, you know my conditions. Very simple. Yun lang. Call the other creators. Set it up. I'm down. Hindi kita i-debate na mag-isa because you've taken far more than from my platform. Masyado na akong ginatasan. I think that's enough. The least that you could do is at least, you know, do it with my terms. Okay?
Okay, fine. Sige. Is it okay if it's 1 or 2?
Bye-bye.
So, ito. Sabi niya, hindi daw kailangan ng 20. So, I'm curious, kailangan ba 3, 4? So, again, tapos, hindi ko rin magets eh. Hindi ko rin magets kung hindi daw kailangan umabot ng 20, but ilan ba kasi ang kailangan niya? Yun yung hindi magulo. Or yun yung magulo. Hindi ko alam kung ilan yung kailangan niya. Di ba? So, sige, fine. I will try to gather more than 1 if I can. Sabi ko nga, more than 1 if I can. But that would involve other people's schedule. Oh, yan. Sige, wait lang. Akyat na ulit siya. Kasi hindi kasi tinatapos ka agad eh. Oh. Yun. Be very specific kung ilan.
Sige, anong hindi mo gets dun sa format?
Kasi again, less than 20, it can be 10.
Diba sinabi mo naman dun sa isa mong pinost kung ilan yung content creators? You named them specifically.
So, yun.
Right? Oh, yun lang. Just invite them.
5. Okay. Sige. But if they aren't free at all, like
that is my
Na
condition.
yun,
that is my term. Yun lang. I will not debate you one-on-one because it's a complete waste of time. As you can see, yung nanonood sa ngayon 493. It's because I am here. Gets mo? So I am not gonna give you any more space in my platform more than you've already taken. Gets mo? So ganun.
Yes.
All right.
Again, sige, I'll try my best, but again, those people that I've mentioned have different schedules.
I do not care. Kayo yung may gusto ng debate. Your community wants the debate. Namumuhay ako ng payapa. So do your best. Alright?
So, sige, fine, but again, if ever hindi ko ma-invite yung mga yun, what can I do? What can I do?
Hindi mo mabibigay sa akin yung reason na yan. Ikaw tong pinaka-excited sa debate na to.
You are setting an impossible reason to begin
na
with.
mag-debate. So I'm guessing the least that you could do is set it up. It's the least that you could do.
Sige. Sabi ko nga, gagawin ko yung mga kaya ko. But again, those people have individual schedules.
Bro,
if ever hindi makarating sa kanila, what now?
I mean, it's the least that you can do.
Kaya nga, if ever isa sa kanila hindi makarating, or 3 or 2, what now?
Ano what now? Are the terms not understandable? Hindi mo ba naiintindihan yung terms?
Kasi nga, sabi ko nga, those are individuals.
Do you not understand the terms? Do you not understand it?
I clearly understand it, but again, this is a...
Very good for you. If you do not understand the terms, you will do your best to make it happen because you want this debate. I don't want to debate with you. You're intellectually
But that's fine if you don't want debate because again, a debate is just arguments. So bakit kailangan
have milked my content far longer than a year. So the least that you can
Oh,
do
and
is
so what?
comply with my terms na kayong lahat versus ako. Mahirap ba yun?
What's
It's
wrong with replying with your content?
ano
You are
bro, I am
you
not
are
gonna
an
fall under
influencer.
this trap. You
Are
are
you
not gonna make
immune
me stay
to
here.
any
You are
criticism?
not gonna make me stay here. The terms are very clear. Bye-bye.
O, di ba? So, sige. I'll try my best. I'll try my best. Pero, if that is his condition, purely, what can I do with the schedules of those other people? Di ba? What can I do? What can I do? Isa lang yung hindi umattend sa kanila, hindi matutuloy yung hindi matutuloy yung debate. 'Di ba? What kind of influencer is that? Sabi ko, I can invite them but I cannot force them to join in a debate that they don't have any time. Ay, nako. Invite mo si Nico dahil kaya nga eh. Ang hirap, si Kayo, si Soy, si Josh On Point, si Moose, apat na tao. Apat na tao. Tapos hindi ko ba alam kung ano yung free schedule nila. So, why would you set that kind of condition? 'Di ba? Sana abot ang 20 mo. 'Di ba? Puta, isa lang yung umabsent doon sa apat na i-invite ko, hindi niya tutuloy yung debate. O, 'di ba? Kasi if gusto niya ng argumento, doon pa lang, there and then, sasagot na lang siya. Hindi niya kailangan maghanap ng mga tao. Hindi niya kailangan maghanap ng mga tao. I'm here. And then, na naman yan, guys, na, ano ba tawag dito? I think nasisave yung live. Okay? Nasisave yung live. Recap. Eh, well, andyan naman yung mga, andyan naman yung mga extremists natin. Waiting sa clip. Exciting, actually. Kung ano lang, sana gagawin ko yung invitation kay Kayo, kay Moose, kay, ano ba tawag dito? Kay Soy, kay Josh On Point, para, again, gagawin ko talaga yon to try my best to invite those. But, katulad nga nung sinabi ko, their schedules, hindi ko hawak. Saan? Ay, mali. Wait lang, mali. Hindi ikaw, wait lang. Wait lang. Saglit. Wait lang, hindi ikaw, wait lang.
Kasi bababa na ako, baba ako.
Teka, pangatlong balik mo na to. Any more requests?
Wait lang. Paalis kasi kami. Kaya, ayan, kasama ko mga tropa ko. Paalis kasi kami. Kaya nagmamadali ako. I'm gonna explain it in the best way that I can. Why I want to debate all of you all at once. Para lang hindi nami-misconstrue yung meaning as you are doing, obviously, ngayon. Okay?
Mhm.
I do not want to debate you one-on-one while I can and I want to, because I will not let you use my platform for any more clout than you have used it for the past year. Because clearly, look, the numbers will start to go up as soon as I start speaking. 900 yan kanina, bumaba na ng 665. Sinasabi ko sa'yo that I'm gonna do it under the terms that if all of you and all your platforms are combined, at least I get something out of it. Kesa, ikaw na naman yung magbe-benefit out of me. I think it's pretty fair. No matter how you try to twist and misconstrue it, I think it's only fair on my end that you started with 9,000 followers and now you're at 74,000. Build up mostly of my haters and bashers and not your fans. Naintindihan mo? So at least, I think it's only fair. Wait, I think it's only fair that you follow the terms. Kasi it's not fair for me to keep giving you spotlight and platform on my platform. At least kung magsama-sama kayo, at least I get something out of it. Is that fair?
Yes, it is
Okay.
fair, but kasalanan ko ba that
Tol,
your
tol,
followers
problema mo na
what
yun.
I
Kung
say
paano yan.
more
Kung paano,
meaningful than
ganito,
what you
sige.
are arguing.
Ganito yan.
So,
Kasalanan mo na yan.
kaya nag-grow yung followers ko. Every time that I speak your topic, it's
Kasala-
because they find
Wag mo
whatever I'm saying
nililihis,
more
tol.
meaningful
I'm
than
explaining
whatever
my
you are
terms as to
saying.
when I want to debate with you. Wag mo nililihis, okay?
Hindi ko nililinis. Again,
I am
nagre-reply
explaining
lang
as
ako
to
sa'yo.
why. I am explaining as to why I want it to happen that way. Because you're clearly very good at misconstruing what I'm saying. Ang sinasabi ko dito, kung bibigyan kita ulit ng spotlight at platform, which obviously you've been doing for the past 12 months or more than that, at least man lang, I get something out of it. Kung magsasama-sama kayo, great. It's not that I cannot debate you. I actually can.
Then do it.
Kung pwede natin gawin ngayon, gagawin ko, but I don't want to. Tingnan mo, 600 kanina yung viewers, ilan ngayon? Sabihin mo sa akin ilan.
1.2K.
Why do you think that is?
Well, of course you have a lot of followers, but
Exactly.
again,
That's why I
why
don't want
does
to share
that
it with
matter?
you.
Why
That's
does
why
that
I don't want to
matter?
share it with you, because you've been milking my content for over a year. That if you go to your profile, if you do not know any context of what you do, people would mistake you as my fan. So, at least, I think it's only fair. I think it's only fair for you to stop misconstruing what I'm saying and insinuating that I'm scared, because I'm not. I've talked to people far more scarier than you. You are not scary, buddy. Hindi ka nakakatakot. Ang sinasabi ko dito, do your best. Gather what you can. Kung sino yung nandun, I'm G. Kung merong hindi pumayag, kung sino nandun, G ako. Okay na.
Okay, that's good.
Oh, okay
That's
na.
good. That's good. At least hindi mo kukumplituhin yung 5. That's good. I'm fine with that.
Basta invite mo
Sige,
sila lahat.
I think anyone from them would agree. Kahit
Give them.
dalawa kami.
Give them the invite.
Good. That's good. Sige. That's acceptable.
Give them the invite. Show me that you invited them.
Oh, yes. Right now, I will create the invite.
Okay.
That's good.
All right. I think it's
have a
only
good-
fair.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye. Oh, tama na kaka-insinuate mo takot. Hindi ako takot sa'yo, bro. Hindi ka nakakatakot. I swear, you are not scary. So stop insinuating that, because
Well,
you
I'm
are not scary.
scaring anyone.
You're not scaring anyone, tapos your comments are always made up of alam niya kasing sasapitin niya kapag dinebate niya ako. Dude, get out of here. Just go.
I'm sure may nakikita na akong isang papayag. Okay? May nakikita na akong isang papayag, guys.
This is Pinoy Extreme.